I was brought up in a small village on the Putere Road. My parents are both from Pahauwera, where mum's from the Smith and Turi whānau, and dad's from the Turi whānau, but his father was a European that came from England. I think we had, without it being obvious, it's quite a strong nurturing. You know, I went from the Western Ardmore teachers into the advisory. Then all of a sudden I was part of the Māori arts team of Cliff Whiting and Paramatchett and, you know, Ralph Hortere. And that sort of grouped us into looking at the value of the art for our students. I still believe our biggest influence was Pene Taiapa because, you know, we listened to him. He was the one that gave the kaupapa of the learning and the argument as to why it should be done, how it should be done. He was the one that allowed us to focus back, to see the value of Māori art. I love the kowhaiwhai because I love colour, and I was able to use every colour I wanted to. I didn't have to stay to the red, black and white because it wasn't a traditional pattern, you know, traditional imagery. And over the time I think that it's made me appreciate the simple pattern. For us, we've got to protect our what we have because it connects to the past, it connects to our parents, and it should still connect from our parents down to their mokos generations away.